surrounded with by an ocean, which means the interior areas do benefit from the moderating influence water. Okay. Yes. Next point, Hassan Kapasi.
Yes, with 98 percentage of it is area covered with snow and ice. The Antarctica continent reflects most of the sun's light rather than absorbing it.
Yes. So with 98% of its area is covered with snow and ice. Okay. What it is covered, beta? With 90, it,
Ice,
yes, covered with snow and ice. The Antarctica continent reflects most of the sunlight. What does it do, beta? It reflects most of the
98 percentage
uh,
sun.
yes. Nee, it reflects the sunlight rather than absorbing it, right? Understood?
Yes,
Yes.
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 During the winter, the size of Antarctica doubles as the surrounding sea water freezes, effectively blocking heat transfer from the warmer surrounding ocean.
Yes. So what it is, beta? Okay. This during the winter, the size of Antarctica doubles as the surrounding sea water freezes, effectively blocking heat transfer from the warmer surrounding oceans, right? वार्मर सराउंडिंग ओशन से भी जो भी हीट आती है उसको भी ब्लॉक कर देता है राइट प्लस व्हाट इट इज लास्ट पॉइंट इज एंटार्क्टिका हैज अ हायर एवरेज एलिवेशन देन एनी अदर कॉन्टिनेंट किसी अदर कॉन्टिनेंट से उसकी जो लेवल है एलिवेशन है दैट इज एवरेज एलिवेशन देन इट इज हायर देन दैट राइट सो as
Yes.
a what does it result? It results to in even colder temperatures. Because of it there is very cold temperature also. Understood? Yes. Now people of
Yes, ma'am.
Antarctica. Yes. Now see, mostly there is very less population in Antarctica. Matlab, very less people live there permanently. But there are, some people. Uh, Actually, there is no permanent human residence. Means like how we are having permanent residence. है ना? वैसे they don't have a permanent residence. Only the scientists and the people who are doing different types of surveys, they only reside there. Understood? Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read this, Pariani. Are Kapasi, Hassan Kapasi.
Yes, ma'am. People Antarctica. First point. No permanent human residency because of the extreme weather, which includes freezing temperatures, strong winds, and blizzards.
Hmm.
Second point read.
हाँ बेटा.
Yeah. There are about 4,000 seasonal visitors to Antarctica, mainly scientific expeditions. Expeditions.
Yes. So beta, there is no permanent human residence. What did I say first only? क्या वहाँ पे ह्यूमन बींग्स रहते हैं?
Uh, yes,
No, there is
no permanent,
yes,
but
no
permanent.
no permanent human residence, right, in the Antarctica continent, right? Because it is very cold there, because of the extreme weather, right? Why? Because of the extreme weather, right? It is very cold over there, right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. And including freezing temperatures, strong winds, The wind which blows over there, that is also very strong, right? And there are about 4,000 seasonal visitors to Antarctica. But who are they? Just now only I said you. Who are they? They are mainly scientific expeditions. Means the person who are working on science, right? For the different works they are doing of science. You know, of India also. India also two in India of India also there are two research centers which are set up in Antarctica. Can you see this? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, that is Maitri Research Center and Gangotri Research Center. What it is, beta? Maitri Research Center and the Gangotri Research.
Gangotri.
Yes, yes, they are also the two research centers which are set up in Antarctica. Okay. Yes. Can you read the second question again, beta? What I have read right now?
Ma'am, which Hassan Kapas?
Name the two research centers.
Yes, yes. Name the two research centers of India set up by in Antarctica. Answer. Two research centers set up by India in Antarctica are first Mantri Research
Mantri
Center
name,
and
beta.
second
Mantri name, Maitri. Maitri.
Maitri Maitri Research Center and second Gangotri Research Center.
Understood? So people also go for only the scientific work over there, right? Yes. And what
Yes,
is the meaning of Antarctica that we discussed in the last lecture? What it is?
North.
हाँ नहीं.
What, ma'am? One
What
second.
is the meaning of Antarctica? Read this, beta. I explained you the last lecture. Everyone forgot?
Arctic. Arctic.
That is the Greek term. It is derived from the Greek word. It is a very Antarctica is the least populated continent of our country, of our planet, right?
Yes.
How many planets are there? How many planets are there?
5.
No. Who said this? Five answer. Huh?
Eight.
Who
Eight.
said five?
Ma'am. Pariyan Shafi.
Beta five planets are there. Shafi.
No, 8.
So eight planets are there. Can you say me which are there? Planet तो हम सोलर सिस्टम में लर्न किए. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू हाउ मेनी कॉन्टिनेंट्स आर देयर. Listen to my question carefully. What did I ask you? How many planets are there? है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, out of the out of the continents, Antarctica is the least populated. What it is?
Least populated.
Because very less population is there. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. And the word Antarctica comes from the Greek word term and Antarctic. Okay? And the meaning of it is opposite to the Arctic. I showed you in the last lecture. Do you remember? Okay, this is your north, this is your south. Okay? So यहाँ पे south में what it is opposite to the north. And where is Antarctica?
No.
It is here. Antarctica is where?
In south.
It is here
In
in
south.
south. So What is the meaning opposite of the Arctic? Arctic circle is where it is here
North
up
Pole.
in the
In
north.
North Pole.
Yes, understood everyone. So what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
meaning of the Greek term Antarctic opposite to the
Arctic. Arctic.
uh, understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Now size of Antarctica. There are some facts. Yes. Now Antarctica is the fifth largest continent of our planet. But still वहाँ पे population नहीं है. Population है वहाँ पे?
No.
No. Population is not there. It is very least populated, right? Yes. Okay. Read beta.
Yes. According to size, Antarctica is the fifth largest continent of our planet. The continent is
Almost. हाँ.
almost double the size of Australia.
Australia. Yes. Australia is what? Australia is what?
Planet. Cities.
Planet है वो.
No, no, ma'am. City.
Aus- Yes, it is a continent also and a city also because it is very sorry city nahi country. It is a country also, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay. And it is double, almost double the continent uh, Australia. Yes, continue, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you. Antarctica is the driest continent of the seven continents. Antarctica is an icy desert with very little rainfall throughout the year.
Throughout the year. Okay.
Throughout.
Hmm. Yes. So Antarctica is the driest continent of the seven continents. What it is, beta? Driest continent of the seven continents. Okay. All the seven continents may say Australia, Antarctica is the driest one. It's very dry. Atmosphere is very dry. Okay. But it is Antarctica is an icy desert also. What it is? It is an icy desert because there is very less rainfall. Or you can say there is no rainfall also. What you can say? There is no
Go-
rainfall also. Yes?
Fall.
No?
Yes.
Yes, with very little rainfall throughout the year. And why desert? Because it is covered with snow. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Fourth point.
Yes, ma'am. Antarctica is the windiest place on the another where a wind speed of more than 350 kilometers per hour, 218 miles per hour have been measured. Measured.
Yes. So it is the windiest place also. Antarctica is the windiest place. It is the coldest place. It is desert. And for all this reason, beta, there is no population in Antarctica. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Continue, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Antarctica is the least
Least
populate
name. Least.
least sorry, least populate continent. There are no residents living permanently here. Only around 1,000 people in winter and 10,000 people in summer live on the continent. These people
Hmm.
are these people are mainly based there are 1 year to live and work in the research stations. The research stations are scattered all around the continent.
Yes. So what it is, beta? Antarctica is the least populated continent, very less populated continent. Okay, and there are no residents living permanently here. वहाँ पे कोई resident, कोई people नहीं रहते, permanently नहीं रहते. जैसे how we live in our house permanently, yes, that way there is no permanent residence over there, right? Because it, and that is why it is very least populated. What it is, beta? It is
Least
very least
populated.
populated continent, okay? And there are no residents living permanently over here, right? Only around 1000 people in winter, है ना? Only
Yes,
around how much? 1000 people in winter. Khali 1000. Imagine karo, so less. Huh?
yes,
So less population people in winter and 10,000 people in the summer live on the continent. These people are mainly based there for 1 year to live and work in the research stations. Where they live and work, beta? In the
research
different
stations.
research centers. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the research centers are scattered all around the continent. Matlab, they are not at one place, they are scattered. They are scattered means what? They are at different places. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood or not? Only one boy is saying yes and no. The rest of you understood?
Ma'am, no one is unmuting his mic.
Everyone is just listening. Okay, chalo. Now we will see more about Antarctica. See, yes, there are 18 countries who regularly send scientists over there. How many countries are there? 18 countries.
18.
हाँ, जो रेगुलरली क्या भेजते हैं वहां पे? साइंटिस्ट. क्या भेजते हैं? Scientists
Scientists.
and researchers who work on different fields. Okay, who work on different work. Huh? So there are how many? 18 countries who regularly send scientists and researchers to the various stations on the continent. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
The most and biggest stations are held by the USA. Okay, the, why anyone is not replying after except one boy? Let me see. Only Hassan Kapasi is replying. So many are present. Hassan Kapasi, speak the names those who are present, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Paryani Shafiq, Arman Gori, Ayaz Bidda, ne Riaz Merchant. Farhan Ali Merchant. Riaz
हाँ,
Merchant, Farhan Ali Merchant.
क्यों सब जवाब नहीं दे रहे हो?
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ,
Someone has taken my name.
who is it?
I am Farhan Ali Merchant.
Farhan Ali Merchant, you are not, no one is replying, beta.
Oh, ma'am.
हाँ,
I am
बोलो.
telling chapter 15 question answer 16 or 16 question answer we have to write of social. Ma'am is left. એમ કેમ હજી તો પૂછું છું ને તો મેમ લેફ્ટ થઈ ગયા આવશે અત્યારે વાત
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, sorry, because of some technical reasons, I had
Okay.
left from the
Okay.
Google Meet class. Okay, yes. What you were saying, Farhan Ali Merchant?
Uh, I'm saying lesson 15 question answer we have to write 16 or
We-
15.
हैं?
16 question answer we have to write of lesson 15.
हाँ तो लिखने तो पड़ेंगे ना. Whatever notes I have sent you, you have to write only, no?
But चैप्टर चैप्टर 15 के क्वेश्चन आंसर जो है 16 तक
Hmm.
के वो लिखने के फेयर बुक में.
What is the name of the lesson? First, you say me that.
That I don't.
See, you are not
One
knowing
minute
that.
I
Huh?
1 minute I'm check.
Sorry, I cannot listen you.
मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ रुको.
Bolo, you don't. After few days, you are having exam, and you don't know the name of the lesson also. Shall I say?
ये चीज स्टार्ट.
हाँ. कौन सा लेसन है? डिजास्टर्स वाला लेसन है. कौन सा है?
डिजास्टर वाला लेसन.
हाँ तो उसके तो नोट्स में लिखना ही है ना, फेयर बुक में.
मतलब वो क्वेश्चन आंसर 16 और 16 लिखने का.
हाँ, every question.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
understood?
I understood.
It is going to come in exam, right or wrong?
Right, right.
तो फिर
Hmm.
then why you are asking such question only? Yes. So we were here. Antarctica, about the flora life and fauna life. See, as it is very cold over there, there is very less population over there. Yes or no? Less population
Yes.
of animals also. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The few areas where there is no or only little ice throughout the year are located in the most northern parts of the continent. Okay. And there one will find also typical type of tundra vegetation. Okay, very less vegetation, and like small scrubs, grasses, and mosses are found. Whereas in fauna means animal life. Okay, there are not many species living on the Antarctic continent, right? Whales and seals live in the southern ocean surrounding Antarctica. And the most important, the penguin, emperor penguins are only penguin species breeding on the Antarctica, right? Very less populated it is. But you know बेटा penguins कितने हैं वहाँ पे? On the Antarctica continent कितने होंगे पता है? 5 million penguins. How many बेटा? About 5 million penguins are there on Antarctica continent. Is it clear everyone till here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 5 million?
So it is very much, there are lot of penguins on the Antarctica continent. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Apart from that, there is this also. Our two research centers are also there, no? That is Gangotri and Maitri. है ना?
Yes, yes.
So, though it is less populated, it is very much, important in terms of other parts, right? Colorful lights are seen in the sky in Antarctica, right? Because why? Because during a year, the South Pole experiences 6 months day and 6 month night. Understood? How much it experiences?
6 months.
Day and 6 months night. Is it clear, everyone, till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. So everyone today complete your fair books. Okay. Tomorrow's holiday, you come in tomorrow's holiday, Monday, you complete those who have not completed their 5 books.